You guys do service from the sidewalk?
No, I'm just wondering what you're videotaping.
Oh, it's the bank.
For what reason?
I don't have to give you a reason.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I didn't call you.
No, I know that. They called us.
Okay.
They're concerned because you're videotaping people inside the bank.
Okay.
Is there a reason you're doing that?
I have to have a reason.
Say that again?
Do I have to have a reason?
Nope.
All right. Name and badge number?
Officer Birch, 508.
He's scaring our customers.
Oh yeah, what he's doing is a little strange. No doubt about
Yes,
it.
in a bank.
Yeah, I mean,
He's scaring our customers. She was afraid to come out.
I haven't said a
Thank
word.
you.
I
Thank
got
you.
I got permission.
from who?
For those unfamiliar, First Amendment auditors are independent content creators who record in public spaces to test whether government officials respect constitutional rights. Supporters say they expose abuse of power. Critics argue they intentionally provoke reactions for views. But regardless of where you stand, one thing remains true. Police officers are expected to know the laws they enforce. And in this case, that became the biggest problem of all. The incident begins outside a bank, where the cameraman quietly records from a public sidewalk. Almost immediately, employees become uncomfortable and begin questioning him. But here's the critical detail. The cameraman never entered the bank, never threatened anyone, and never blocked access. He simply stood outside with a camera. Yet within moments, employees called police claiming customers felt unsafe. That answer alone seemed to irritate everyone involved. The cameraman calmly asserted that he didn't owe strangers an explanation for lawful activity in public. And that's where tensions started rising fast.
What is it? Oh, well, there you go. Get that back. Yeah, so they were just concerned. Obviously, they have a place of business here that they're trying to run, and when customers are concerned, they're going to call.
All right.
So that's what
That was quick.
What's that?
You guys came here in record time.
You keeping record?
It was oh, shit. Look at that.
What's up? Yeah, we're all good.
So is my permission good enough?
Well, I mean, we got to talk with the bank. I would imagine that
Yeah.
this is probably still bank
Can you
property.
ask them why they're recording me? They're scaring me right there. See that?
What? Their cameras?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, every bank is cameras.
So
Every bank in America is cameras.
I didn't call the cops on them.
No, but you elected to come here.
Yeah, but this is public.
Right, but you came here, right, knowing that there's surveillance cameras. So,
Well, she came here knowing that I'm videotaping too.
well, it wasn't her that was concerned. The lady was already in the bank. Then you showed up.
No. She came out first. I didn't say a word to anybody.
You didn't have to say a word to anybody to make them feel uneasy, right?
Okay.
So they're concerned because you're videotaping people who do not want to be videotaped.
Yeah, but I got permission. You
That's
saw
not
it.
real permission. You need permission for the people you're videotaping.
Oh yeah, what's that law?
You can videotape them out here. You cannot videotape them in there. They have an
Oh, like-
expectation of privacy.
Like this? I
That's
can't do that.
That's correct. So if people don't want to be videotaped inside a private entity, they have the right to refuse.
So I can't videotape through the window?
You can't videotape into a private business. No, the same I
Really?
could videotape into your home. That's
Okay.
the same. They have an expectation of privacy.
I think you need to read the law, sir.
Telling you why we're here. That's why they call.
Okay, so I can't.
Police arrived with unusual speed, as if responding to an emergency. But once officers assessed the scene, something awkward became obvious. No crime had actually occurred. Instead of ending the encounter there, officers attempted to justify the call by creating a new argument: privacy. That moment would become the turning point of the entire encounter. The officer repeatedly insisted filming through the bank windows was illegal, but when asked to identify the law, he couldn't. Legal experts have repeatedly stated that filming from a public sidewalk is generally protected under the First Amendment, as long as no reasonable expectation of privacy exists.
Here.
You should not be videotaping people.
Yeah, what are you going to do about it if I do?
If it's catching footage inside, you can't be doing
Oh
that.
yeah, it's catching footage, definitely.
All right, then maybe you should stand a little further back.
I'll be on the street.
Maybe back that way.
No, you can't tell me where I stand.
Okay. Well, here's the
Like,
thing,
you,
dude.
like, go ahead.
Like, okay, I get it's a public sidewalk. You have a right to be out here.
Okay,
All
they're
right,
recording me
but-
right there.
Okay, you don't got to be here. You don't got to be here.
Okay, I
You
could
are
videotape
elected
right into.
in this
Look at this. I'm going to zoom right in.
So here's the thing.
Zooming in.
Get what you're doing. All right, you're one of these like, First Amendment guys. That's cool,
Mhm.
all, but here's the thing: you can't expect to not upset people. If I was in there as a customer doing my financial business,
Okay,
I come out here and some weirdo sticking a camera in my face, I'd be a
Okay.
little concerned.
is that why you guys have cameras too? So
We
you can
have
upset
these.
people?
Well, we have these for
Okay, well,
documentation.
it's upsetting me.
purposes. Well,
They're
Well, you-
upsetting
like I
me
said-
too.
you don't got to be here. You don't got to be here.
But I want to be right here.
Okay, like I said, you're elected.
I'm not moving anywhere, just so you know.
Okay, that's fine.
And I'm going to be
That's fine.
videotaping into the bank. I'm not walking in.
Okay, well, here's the
But
thing.
check this out.
Check it out. I'll check it out. And here's the thing: since you want to be so cool and cooperative,
Mm-hmm.
if I do find out that you violated any laws, I'm going to show you the inside of the prison.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, Yeah.
What's your name, badge number?
Azar 487.
All right.
Okay, just so we're clear. If I find out you're
What do you
violating
mean
any
if
laws,
you find out?
well, you want me to look up the law, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's what I'm gonna go
Yeah.
do. Okay. All right. Have fun.
Yeah.
Okay, here's what we got for you.
Did you find out what the law is from the bankers?
Well, here's what we got for you. You're not allowed to go into the business, okay? If you go into the business, you'll be arrested for trespassing.
I already knew that before I came here.
At this stage, the interaction stopped sounding professional and started sounding personal. Instead of calmly explaining the law, officers became visibly irritated that the cameraman knew his rights. That statement exploded online. Critics accused the officer of making retaliatory threats without probable cause. Others argued the officer's frustration stemmed from losing control of the interaction, because by this point, the cameraman wasn't backing down. Then came the argument that completely flipped the encounter. The cameraman pointed directly at the bank's own surveillance system.
I know.
Do you know what the law is? I could go like this. So did you find out what the fucking law is?
You're a real smart guy, huh?
Yeah.
You know what the law is, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't.
You can try
And you're a
clickbait
fucking
as
police
much as you
officer.
want. You can try and clickbait as much as you want. Okay, if you step into the bank, you'll be arrested.
All right.
Okay?
I
Have a good
already knew
day.
that. I already don't tell me fucking directives,
Have a good
okay?
day. You have a good
All right.
day.
You know
sir.
you
Have
don't
a
know what the law
wonderful
is,
day.
and you tell me, oh, if I find out, I'm gonna fucking put you in jail.
Go pound sand, buddy.
Yeah,
Have
yeah.
a good day.
That's
All
true.
right, dude, like and subscribe,
Have a
right?
good day.
Like
Have
and
a good
subscribe.
day. Hopefully Jesus gives you bond money when you mess up.
Yep. Don't worry, I won't.
Yeah.
So he told me I can't record into Windows because he didn't know what the law is.
I told you you couldn't zoom into windows when people have an expectation of privacy, is what I told you.
Well, I just did zoom into Windows and I could all day.
Okay.
He's doing what he can to try and bait people in so we can. his YouTube
They got a
channel
camera
can go
too,
up from 5
pointing at
people
me.
to 10 people.
You guys have cameras, right?
Dude, I mean, listen, man, you could record 24 hours a day. You might go up from 5 subscribers to 10.
All right. I'll show all my 11 subscribers.
Good butt.
All right. Name and badge number.
Dixon 780.
All right. I like the stripes.
Thank you.
Thanks. You're the cool one.
And suddenly the contradiction became impossible to ignore. The bank could record everyone entering and leaving the property, but a citizen recording from a public sidewalk was somehow considered suspicious. That hypocrisy became one of the most discussed parts of the video online. As the interaction continued, officers appeared increasingly frustrated that they couldn't establish a legal violation. One officer attempted to mock the cameraman's audience size, but instead of de-escalating the situation, the comment backfired. Online viewers interpreted it as emotional retaliation, proof that the officers had abandoned professionalism altogether. And perhaps the most revealing moment came when the officer finally admitted the only actual crime would be trespassing, if the cameraman entered the bank, which he never did. So what does the law actually say? In the United States, courts have consistently upheld the right to record in public spaces. That includes filming police officers, government buildings, and generally anything visible from public property. Businesses may ask someone to leave private property, but they typically cannot control what a person records from a public sidewalk. The officers repeatedly referenced expectation of privacy, but legal analysts online quickly pointed out that visibility through publicly exposed windows significantly weakens that argument. In simple terms, if it's plainly visible from public, filming it is usually lawful. The cameraman involved appears to be part of the growing First Amendment audit community, creators who intentionally record in sensitive areas to test public officials and educate viewers on constitutional rights. These creators often target police departments, post offices, government buildings, and banks because those locations tend to trigger strong reactions. Critics say auditors provoke conflict for views. Supporters argue they expose ignorance of civil liberties. And this confrontation perfectly captured that divide.